Array Indians. Are you tired of manually coding and automating tasks? This week, I'm excited to share the top 5 AI tools that will change your life. With the rise of AI, we can now automate tasks, code like pros, and increase our productivity. In this video, I'll be sharing the best AI tools for Indians, and trust me, you won't want to miss them. From coding AI to automation AI, these tools are a game changer. So, let's dive in and explore the top 5 AI tools for Indians this week. Devin AI by Cognition is the world's first AI software engineer. It's an autonomous coding tool that can write code for you. The best use cases for Indians are automating repetitive coding tasks, generating boilerplate code, and even debugging code. Did you know that Devin AI can reduce coding time by up to 70%? The pricing for Indians starts at 50,000 rupee per year. I think Devin AI is a must-use for Indian developers who want to increase their productivity and focus on high-level tasks. Klein by Klein is a free, open-source AI coding agent for Versus Code. It can assist with code completion, code refactoring, and even code review. The best use cases for Indians are improving code quality, reducing coding time, and enhancing collaboration. Did you know that Klein is built on top of the popular language model, Llama? The pricing is free, and I think Klein is perfect for Indian developers who want a free AI-powered coding assistant. Continue by Continue.dev is a free, open-source Copilot alternative. It allows you to use any large language model, LLM, to assist with coding tasks. The best use cases for Indians are automating coding tasks, generating code snippets, and even building custom AI models. Did you know that Continue is built on top of the popular Hugging Face Transformers library? The pricing is free, and I think Continue is ideal for Indian developers who want a customizable AI-powered coding assistant. Zapier AI by Zapier is a popular automation tool that can connect different apps and services. It can automate tasks such as data transfer, email marketing, and even social media management. The best use cases for Indians are automating repetitive tasks, integrating different apps, and enhancing productivity. Did you know that Zapier AI has a huge Indian user base? The pricing starts at 1,500 rupee per month, and I think Zapier AI is a must-use for Indian businesses and entrepreneurs who want to automate their workflow. Note that Zapier AI has an affiliate program, which you can join by clicking the link in our description. Make by Make, formerly known as Integromat, is a powerful automation tool that can connect different apps and services. It can automate tasks such as data transfer, email marketing, and even social media management. The best use cases for Indians are automating complex workflows, integrating different apps, and enhancing productivity. Did you know that Make is more powerful than Zapier? The pricing starts at 700 rupee per month, and I think Make is perfect for Indian businesses and entrepreneurs who want a more advanced automation tool. Note that Make has an affiliate program, which you can join by clicking the link in our description. That's it for this week's top 5 AI tools for Indians. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Don't forget to tune in next week for more exciting AI tools and tutorials. We'll be covering the latest AI trends and tools, so you won't want to miss it.